Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by gathering everything: a USB 3.0 capture card, an HDMI encoder or switch Lite HDMI mod kit, precision drivers, and a fine soldering iron. Once done, back up the console NAND and saves, because you will open the unit. Make sure to work on an anti-static mat. Plug the capture card into your PC and install drivers and OBS now, so software is ready when the hardware is connected. This saves time and prevents driver issues during testing. You will now perform the core work. Carefully open the switch light and expose the mainboard. Follow the HDMI mod kit wiring map and desolder only the specified pads, then solder the encoder board or adapter exactly as the kit instructs. Once solder joints are solid, secure any ribbon cables and reassemble the shell enough to test. Connect the HDMI output from the mod to your USB 3.0 capture card. Plug the card into your PC and launch OBS to confirm a video feed appears. You finish by setting capture preferences in OBS. Pick 720p 60 for smooth motion or 1080p 30 if bandwidth limited, and verify audio is synced. Once the feed is stable, fully reassemble the case, securing the mod and routing cables to prevent stress. If you get no signal, check power to the encoder board, inspect solder joints for cold joints, and confirm the capture card is on USB 3.0 ports. Use a multimeter on keypads to verify continuity. If problems persist.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.